you are not believing this whatever I am saying, then go and watch my video, previous video, and for now today video. I can proudly say myself I completed 1 month of English learning journey and I speak fluently. I am making mistake, I am doing mistake, I am just not speak that. Hello guys, today I am going to share about my journey, how I learned English in 1 month. I will tell you all about what I do and what I am now doing, what I did, all the things which I am going to share you. I cover in this video. Please watch this video until the last and like, subscribe and comment down. I want to know people, you are also excited to learn English, or you want to share your journey with me, or you want to start your journey with me, because I am in a journey of learning English. You can be a fluent speaker. If you want to really fluent, then listen this video. My journey started before 1 month, and that time what happened in my college, our teacher asked us to give introduction, and that moment I am not able to give introduction, because that moment I don't have my introduction. I don't have lines what to say. I just know my name is Priya Katara and I am from this. I don't know how can I just express in a way how to deal with introduction. That moment I feel I am not able to speak a single word, and I am just feeling so low, because I am, most of the people are just giving their introduction, but I am a person who is not able to give my own introduction. What the things happening with me? We are same. We are studying in a same class, and I am now major, now I am doing my graduation. For now I am not able to give my introduction. This is like for me insulted. And that moment I decided now I am going to learn English. I will become a fluent in one day. That moment I decide I will learn English. I started my journey from basics. Seriously, you can't believe I don't know the meaning of small thing. I don't know what is the meaning of was, what is the meaning of is, what is the meaning of small things. I know I learned these things in my small classes, but for now, for today, not for today, for 1 month before, I don't know, I forget all the things. Seriously, I learned and I forget. Most of the time this happened with me. So for learning English I have to remind all the things, and I don't need to be forget them at all. So first the thing I do, I start from basics, because I am a beginner. That label I suppose myself as a beginner, because yes, this is true. I am a beginner. I am learning English from basics. I learned basics. I don't learn anything. I learned just starting speaking words. I learned from my introduction how to introduce yourself. First of all, you have to give your name. If I tell about my hobbies, then what should I tell? What was my hobbies? Really, I don't know. What are your hobbies? In which things I am good? That moment I don't know my hobbies. Then I find out what I like, what I do. Then I find out these things: listening music, reading books, and scrolling phone. These things I love. Then I add these things, and I learn one thing: if you are going to tell someone anything, please just don't follow fake thing. Don't tell fake thing. If they ask you question about those things, you are not able to give answer. Like most of the people, what they do, like they just copy other hobbies and just paste in our own introduction. No, if the person asks you about your hobbies, you are not able to explain other questions. So please be make sure you have to find out what is your core hobbies. You have to search, you have to work on yourself. After that I just start English from basics, like normal speaking. If there is a thing which is happening in the past, which is happening in present, how to say this? And if it is happening in past, how to say that? If it is happening in future, what to say? I learn from basic. No, I don't learn like, or I don't mug up all the things. I just choose one thing. Now for today, my main motive is to learn this thing. Like if I am saying I want to play. I want to play. Why we are using want? I choose want topic where we use want, and how can we use want? How can we replace want for from other things like need? So I learned one topic. I start from basics. After that, I learned most of the vocabulary. You have to make sure you learn vocabulary, because vocabulary is most important in our life, in our daily life. You don't know what other things are surrounding you. I really don't know that moment. And if I am trying to say my personal thing, my personal experience, that moment I am not able to say a word because I don't know the meaning of that thing. So just make sure learn the basic vocabulary which are is going to use you when you speak in Hindi, in your native language. Then what you do, you know the meaning of that thing, then you are able to speak. So in English it is also like same. You had to know the English word of that thing, then you are able to speak. In the beginning days, from day 1 to day 10, I just listen. I listen English videos, English podcast, English stories, English anything which I just focus to myself. I just make my mind like I am going to learn this, and I have to need listen. I listen from basic videos to advanced videos. I got to know they are using only simple language. If the person is using advanced, I just skip the video and I search for simple video. On that video can I understand, I can understand easily, I can relate myself. I watch those videos in a day, like whenever I get time. If I have 2 hours, I will watch 2 hours that video, not that type of videos. If I have 4 hours, I will spend my 4 hours on listening part. I am just listening. In the beginning I just listen, because listening play a very important role. This is the main thing which I did in my 1 month journey, and I am able to speak because of the listening. When we listen again and again, we get to know the things we are just listening feed in our mind. And this is best part, I love this part. When you don't understand English, that moment you are not interested in that video, you want to just change the video. But when you get to know, you are trying to understand, you are getting the point what the person is trying to say in English, you taking interest. I feel, I start taking interest whenever I am listening. After 2 3 days of listening, I start listening, I feel wow, this is like I want to listen, I want to listen more. I am giving more time. You have to just give your time daily basis, otherwise you are not able to speak English. First of all, the main thing is mindset. You have to make your mindset, whatever happening just happen, you have to make mind. But still you have to make sure you can give your 30 or 1 hour or 2 hour, however you can make give in listening part. And whenever you done with listening, now you are done, you are not want, you don't want to listen a single video now, then select a place and start speaking your video. Which video you make in English, you are making mistake, whatever you are fearing, but still you make video. If you are not able to speak, just remind yourself, whatever comes in your head, just speak out. Is it a small thing, it is correct way, it is wrong way, just speak. That video is saved within your phone, not makes you insulted. That video is saved in your phone, no one is see that video. So just make your video and start talking to yourself. If starting in the beginning you are not able comfortable talking with when someone is here, you are not able to talk, then select a place where you are in silence, there is no one, you and your phone only, then start speaking. I start speaking. You know, in the beginning, what happened with me? I don't have topics. One day I speak about my introduction. Other day I speak about my daily life routine. The next day I don't have anything. What to say next? On which topic I can make video? This happened with us. Then what I have to do? What we have to do? You have to just learn. You have to remember things which gives you something, like which gives you lesson. Like if there is your friend, I am giving example, there is your one friend who says to you like you are not good enough, then what you feel that moment about what happened, how this happened, all the things you have to just speak. If you are going to watch movie, then what talk about this, like what was the plan, how can you plan to watch movie, who with whom you are going to watch, what happened, what you did after you came, and what you were, whatever the thing, just speak about that. If you know the story of any other topics, then speak a story. Speak whatever in your head comes. After recording my 2 3 videos, I am done with the speaking part, and now I am just feeling I don't have topic, what I can do. Then again I started listening. Whenever this time I am going to listen, I understand more clear, because that moment I am not able to understand. I am still watching same videos again and again. Now I am able to grab more things. And from where I give myself like topics, like these people are also making videos, you have to choose their videos, their topics, just make videos. And I start making these topics on my video recording. So this is how my journey is going on. And daily, in the starting I listen, in the middle I speak, then I listen and I speak. I just change my mind. Like, when we do anything in a consistency, then we start bored. So what happened with me, when I start listening, I getting bored of listening. Then I switch to speaking. Whenever I'm speaking, I switch my speaking to listening. Like, speak for 5 to 6 days. After that, listen for 2 days. Stop speaking for 2 days. Then you have to speak for other days. Don't just stop completely. You have to just learn something, then start speaking. This is not like you are in a race or you have to just consistent. No, if you are taking 1 or 2 days time stopping doing this thing, then stop, because this is also necessary. This gives other ourselves motivation for doing other things too. If you are not believing this whatever I am saying, then go and watch my video, previous video, and for now today video. I can proudly say myself I completed 1 month of English learning journey, and I speak fluently. I am making mistake, I am doing mistake, I am just not speak that much confident, but still I have confident. I can see myself, I am talking, I am not stopping, I am not fumbling. Yes, most of the time I don't have word how to say that thing. I can make wrong sentences, but still I am doing, I am in a journey, I am improving day by day. So just do your journey, don't think about the failures, just go. And if you are doing, if you are giving time, then you will see result. This is not about 1 day 2 day, it is all about life learning things. Journey I learned so many vocabulary. In the beginning what happened, I started writing five word in a day, but after doing 10 or 15 day I get bored. No, I am not able to going to just write. I said to myself, okay, it's okay if you are not doing this, it is okay, it is all okay, because it is our perception. If we don't like doing this thing, then don't do. I'm not saying stop that. You have to do, but you have to do in another way. What I am doing, whenever I am listening any video, whenever I am trying to say any word, and I don't have that meaning of how to pronounce that word correctly, then I am searching for that word. Whenever I search something by my own mind, then that thing I learned from my whole life, that save in my mind in a memory. I'm not going to forget this thing. So here I started, and it is all okay. You have to just focus. This is my journey, how I learn. You can be also fluent. So please make sure, don't forget to speak daily. Just speak. People are saying we don't have that much motivation, like we are not able to speak. Then, my friend, I have one thing for you. If you are not able to speak, then you are not able to success in your life. Remind this thing to yourself. If you want this, then you have to do this. Otherwise there is no option for you. Thanks for watching my this video. Okay, for bye bye today.